When it comes to cookware that blends sleek aesthetics with high-performing functionality, this Greenpan Reserve hard-anodized healthy ceramic non-stick 12-inch frying pan skillet truly stands out. Designed for those who prioritize health, durability, and elegance in their kitchen, this pan offers everything you need for seamless cooking experiences. From its PFAS-free construction to its hard-anodized body and ergonomic design, the Greenpan Reserve skillet is a must-have addition for anyone serious about healthy and efficient cooking. Why choose the Greenpan Reserve skillet? Here are the top reasons why the Greenpan Reserve hard-anodized healthy ceramic non-stick 12-inch frying pan skillet is a worthwhile investment. 1. Health-conscious design. Free of harmful chemicals, this pan ensures safe and toxin-free cooking. 2. Durable nonstick coating. The diamond-infused coating is both long-lasting and scratch-resistant, allowing for metal utensils. 3. Versatile performance. From stovetop to oven, this pan is built for all types of cooking. 4. Elegant design. The gold handle and sleek finish add a touch of sophistication to any kitchen. 5. Easy maintenance. Its dishwasher-safe construction and effortless cleaning make it a practical choice for busy cooks. One of the standout features of the Greenpan Reserve skillet is its duoforged hard-anodized aluminum construction. This unique design ensures the pan is extra tough and scratch-resistant, providing years of reliable use without showing signs of wear. The double anodizing process reinforces the pan's structure, preventing warping or wobbling over time. The durability of the pan extends to its Thermalon diamond-advanced, healthy ceramic non-stick coating. Infused with layers of diamonds, this coating makes the surface incredibly durable, metal utensil safe, and highly resistant to scratches. Unlike traditional non-stick pans, you won't have to worry about the coating wearing off after a few uses. Health-conscious cooks will appreciate that the Thermalon diamond-advanced non-stick coating is completely free of PFAS, PFOA, lead, and cadmium. These chemicals are commonly found in other non-stick cookware and can release toxic fumes when overheated. Greenpan ensures your cooking experience is safe, healthy, and environmentally friendly. Not only does this advanced coating ensure safe cooking, but it also makes the pan incredibly easy to clean. Food slides off effortlessly. Whether you're frying eggs or preparing a stir-fry, and a quick wipe or rinse is often all you need to get the pan looking like new. Uniform heat distribution is critical for consistent cooking results, and the Greenpan Reserve skillet excels in this area. Its forged base ensures even heat distribution, so your food cooks perfectly, without hot spots. Whether you're searing fish, caramelizing onions, or sautéing vegetables, this skillet delivers professional-grade results every time. Additionally, the pan is compatible with a wide range of cooktops, including gas, electric, and ceramic, making it a versatile choice for any kitchen. Its oven-safe design, up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit, allows you to finish dishes in the oven without transferring to another vessel, making it ideal for recipes that require a stovetop-to-oven transition. The Greenpan Reserve skillet isn't just about functionality, it's also a stunning piece of cookware. The gold stainless steel handle adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen while maintaining practicality. The handle is matte finished for easy gripping, ensuring it stays cool and comfortable even during extended cooking sessions. The addition of a helper handle makes it easier to maneuver the pan, especially when it's full of food. The glass lid included with the skillet is both stylish and practical, allowing you to monitor your cooking progress without lifting the lid and releasing heat. Another significant advantage of the Greenpan Reserve skillet is its dishwasher-safe design. While hand washing is often recommended for extending the life of cookware, this skillet can handle the convenience of dishwasher cleaning without compromising its performance or appearance. Final thoughts. The Greenpan Reserve hard-anodized, healthy ceramic non-stick 12-inch frying pan skillet is the perfect combination of style, functionality, and safety. With its duo-forged armored body, diamond-infused non-stick coating, and health-conscious construction, this skillet is a reliable companion for all your culinary endeavors. Whether you're looking for a pan that delivers consistent cooking results, is easy to clean, or enhances your kitchen's aesthetic, the Greenpan Reserve skillet checks all the boxes. If you're ready to upgrade your cookware and make a smart investment in your kitchen, this pan is an excellent choice. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.